Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to generate ad creatives using AI in just a few simple steps. First off, you'll need a brand. Creating one is easy. Just jot down your brand name. Here I will just write example to show you and also grab your logo. If you don't have it handy, no worries. You can download it from any website. Make sure it's a PNG though, without a transparent background. Next up, choose your colors. Oh, and don't forget to write a short description of your brand. It'll come in handy later. Once you've got your brand sorted, it's time to create your first project. A project is basically the size of your ad, depending on where you're going to use it. Many options to choose from: post, landscape, story, vertical, or pin size. Let's go with a post for this example. Now describe your project according to your needs. Also, fill the target audience section with anything you like. All right, the big part's done. Now let's fill in the details. Write your headline, punchline, description, and call to action according to your requirements. There is also a cool AI feature that suggests tags for you, but feel free to tweak them to your liking. Text done, preview looks good, great. Now pick a background. It can be for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or anything else. Quick reminder, these ad creatives are totally free. Name your project. I will just write here test and voila, you're done. So what's happening behind the scenes? You create a brand, then a project, give all the info to Ad Creative AI, and it does its magic. It'll churn out conversion-focused ad creatives designed to bring you sales or leads, whatever you're aiming for. The link to try out this software for free is in the description below. Your ad creatives will be pixel perfect and ready to use in your campaigns. Give it a try and see the results for yourself.